Firstly, health insurance. Second one is personal accident insurance. Third one is overseas medical insurance. We mainly focusing in these three portfolios. It's a short history of health insurance. In 1986, Mediclaim policies are introduced in Indian market. In 1919, the regulator came in existence. In 2001, the third-party administrator introduces in the market for providing more facility to settling claims. In 2006, Star Health and Allied Insurance Company came in existence as the first standalone health insurance company in India. Then we made a lot of move in health insurance industry. We started our operation in India in 2006, May 18th. And on that time, in the first financial year, we done only 80 crore rupees in total business. But when we completed 10 years in 2016, we completed 2,208 crores in health insurance premium. And we started our business with a first financial year only 600 customers. But when we completed our 10th year, we achieved more than 68 lakh customers in India. It's a remarkable growth in health insurance. Then we operating through 290 branch offices and 622 sales manager station. In our language, it is micro offices to provide service to each and every node of our villages. Then next, 600 and more employees. Then we engaged in many government projects. The first move we got, or we achieved our life through government projects. We made some records. The first project was Rajiv Arogyasri project in Andhra Pradesh. It was a record. We insured more than 6.5 crore people in a single policy. It's a record and it is still running. But the project is withdrawn by the government, but the record is there. Then the next project was Chief Minister's Health Insurance Scheme in Tamil Nadu, Government Employees Scheme in Tamil Nadu, Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, RSBY. Many states we running that projects, but in current time, our company is not giving more focus in government projects. We mainly focusing in retail business. Then when we moving to our company, our promoters are Oman Insurance Company from UAE, Indian business houses. Then investors are ICICI Venture Funds invested in this company. Then Secure Capital invested in this company. Tata Capital Growth Fund invested in this company. And in recent time, Apis Partners invested in Star Health and Allied Insurance Company. Then our board of directors is shown in our presentation. The first and important person in our company is our respected chairman, Sri V. Jagannathan, who having more than 45 years experience in general insurance. He taken his retirement from United India Insurance Company, and he developed the new concept in insurance, which is not familiar to Indian market. It is health insurance, a standalone health insurance culture in Indian general insurance. And Sri Dr. M.Y. Khan, former chairman, Jammu and Kashmir Bank, and Banking Advisory Council member, Yes Bank. He was chairman in Yes Bank. And Dr. D.R. Karthikeyan is a famous personality in India. He was former director of CBI. Then VP Nagarajan, executive director of ETA Ascon Company and ETA Star Group of Companies UAE. And Sri D.C. Gupta, who was a retired IAS officer, former secretary, expenditure, Government of India. Vishak Mauli, just they replaced that director, CEO, managing director of ICICI Venture Funds. And Gautam Mago for principal, Secure Capital. Then Akhil Avasti, managing partner, Tata Capital Growth Fund. These people are leading our company to the right direction. Then behind our achievements, we have zonal offices, 15 zonal offices, SM stations, micro offices 622, area offices 23, branch offices 290, and more than 600 plus employees. And we have employee doctors in a number of 289 employee doctors. That's doctors. Employee doctors. I am talking about employee doctors. We have 289 number of employee doctors. This is the most important thing in Star Health, because we are taking speed decisions in our claims with this team. Then next, we have an agency force of, active agency force of 1,46,028 number in active mode. Next one, we have a gallery of good products, different with different characters. The first one is senior citizen red carpet policy, which is not familiar, not that much familiar to our market. It mainly focusing persons above 60 years of age. The next one is Star Super Surplus policy. It's a top-up plan. It mainly providing a top-up cover to existing insurance customers. Next one, we have some products to cover HIV positive group of people. Then Star Cardiac Care. It's a special tool because in common, health insurance policies are commonly issuing to people who having wellness in their life. But in recent time, we just converted that concept to the people with the illness also needed coverage. That's why we introducing this kind of policies. The first one is cardiac care policy, cardiac care product. Then second one, we dealing with a diabetes safe policy, which mainly focusing a very big market of people affected with diabetes mellitus. Then next, we have 32 products we dealing in market for different segments of customers. We getting our business from market. This is what the important thing we have to tell to the respected advisors. Star Health and Allied Insurance Company giving a prime importance to agency force, because we getting more than 75% of business through agency force. This is why we getting a very secure quantity of a well secured business from the open market, because we are doing health insurance business. It always makes many issues, but with our agency force, we making the proper underwriting, the primary underwriting in the market. That's why we getting this much of growth in market. Then 40% with the sales managers, our direct sales people, 1% from marketing trainees, 4% from brokers, and 6% from direct call to our company. Then performance we have in 16-17, 14.84%, 84% growth we are making in this year. And claims handled, a huge number of claims we handle, 2,51,822 claims still. Till date, we handle this number of claims in market. Then claims management. This is the important thing connected to Star Health and Allied Insurance Company. We providing more than 94% of claims in cashless mode in direct hospital network. We have 7,500 plus number of hospitals in our hospital network. By using that force, we settling 94% of cashless settlement in cashless mode with 1 to 2 hours of that turnaround time. 1 to 2 hours of that. That turnaround time. This is the time we are taking. Yes. Then reimbursement claim, we taking only 7 days to give them the reply. Then we have a separate wing to keep our hospitals in action. That is, hospital relationship managers are engaged in connecting with all the hospitals and giving them proper instructions for proper operations. And active expansion of network hospitals. The hospital relation department also engaging in developing this area. All these things are very important, and 24/7 basis in-house toll-free call center is working in our company. Above all, for the fraud control, we using authenticity verification by field visiting doctors. We visiting our clients in hospital when they are in treatment or medication, and also placement of regional vigilance officers to getting proper informations about our claims. Next thing, we planning a lot of programs for the expansion of the operation. By SMOs. The next one, agency care cell, it is working in a very proper way. The next, we constituted agency club. We giving a lot of additional facilities or additional benefits to insurance advisors by providing them four type of agency club. First one is CMD club, second one is ED club, executive directors club, then third one is vice presidents club, the last one is zonal managers club. We getting a lot of candidates in that clubs, and we conducting glamorous programs for them. Then renewal retention cells, we assisting advisors by giving call and all other assistance from office direct to retaining their renewal. Then exclusive vertical for PA and OMP. PA policies and OMP policies are mainly controlled by separate vertical. And the regional underwriting cell, quality check for the formation of regional underwriting cell. Underwriting cell, regional underwriting cell again checks the genuinity of the data provided by the customer, and we always gives a strong support on claim settlement. The next one is IVRS, mobile application, payment gateways, all are using by the company. All these things are about our company, and this is what I am presenting in front of you. Thank you.
நீங்க என்ன மறந்துட்டீங்க? என்னது? ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஓவேஷன்.
Thank you.
எந்த ஸ்பீக்கர் பேசினாலும் ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஓவேஷன் கொடுக்கிறது லுகியினுடைய பண்பாடு.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.